do for a minute, wouldn't it?
Well, we can move it. Cool, that's one.
So just off down the beach for my evening constitutional walk with Charlie. And I've had a little time to reflect now that it's Thursday since last weekend. I do think that perhaps launching myself into it, first time out in a left-hand drive R5 was probably a little on the ambitious side. However, that is done. And I've obviously got the car to repair and that's underway and I'm not overly concerned about that, that's fine. So I'm just considering what I do next. Put an entry in for Wervik to go out to Belgium, but I wonder whether or not if I'm just inviting more of the same, diving in and out of cuts. I'm a trifle perturbed by the suggestion. I think once bitten, twice shy, just maybe for a minute, and just find my feet with this car. I don't know. We'll see. Down it. Oh, different scene today. Oh, so what do you think about walking down the beach? Every day is different.